kanina po kasi nabanggit yung possible, na ngayon na na-publicize na kung sino yung mga private prosecutor, possible yung mga personal attacks. I'm just anticipating. Hindi po kaya magagamit yung background ng iba po sa inyo against yung processes o yung pag-participate nyo sa impeachment, sa prosecution team? Kasi if I'm not mistaken po, parang dalawa po sa mga private prosecutors na nandito ay may background as assistant presidential legal counsel ni President Marcos. Baka po kasi sabihin na naman may politikang involved, or baka gusto niyo pong i-clarify yung position niyo dun.
Well, we cannot really hide our identity, because PECABAR really, since the time of President Marcos Sr., is closely associated really with the Marcoses. But it is the House who enlisted our support, not the President, no, or not anyone of the first family. So, I mean, we cannot hide our identity, unfortunately. But as you can see, me and Dean Chocno we are adversaries in court, no. So, but now we are here together with a common cause. So, as I've said, this is just any other regular case handled by the firm. It's nothing special. So it is just a purely professional engagement.
May I also correct, no? Siguro nakita nyo, naka-flash sa screen that I was like PECABAR, no? I was assistant to the president, no? Mali po yun. I never worked with Malacanang, never had the opportunity. So typo error lang po. Ang assistant po ang PECABAR. But I echo, no? PECABAR here, we've worked closely with PECABAR kasi ayaw natin sabihin, sinasabi ng part of the disinformation is that this is a Malacanang Senate. Baka sabihin rin nila is this is a Malacanang prosecutors, public and private, kasi nakalagay dyan sa biodata ng PECABAR. I have worked with PECABAR, and I can speak for the private prosecutors and for my lawyers. We do not receive instructions from anyone, whether from the House, whether from the Senate, whether from Malacanang. We do not receive instructions. We are here. We give our professional help. We do our own personal judgments as to political issues and our own separate political beliefs. Iba po yun. Yung mga background po namin, iba rin po yun. So, sasabihin nila na Malacanang ang private prosecutors, ay mag-isip-isip sila. Magaling rin kami mag-file ng cyber libel complaint, kagaya ng public prosecutors.
So on the part of our firm, we are vouching on the credibility, the professionalism, and most importantly, yung independence ng ating mga kasamahan from PECABAR. Whatever their past political affiliation, they have nothing to do on the task at hand. Napaka-independent, napaka-credible, napaka-professional, and more than anything, napaka-competent po ng ating mga abogado from PECABAR.